Hello everyone, welcome to my kind of cooking. Today we're going to be making a delicious peri peri chicken. The ingredients needed are chicken drums, smoked paprika, olive oil, fresh parsley, bay leaves, a few cloves of garlic, salt to taste, and fresh red chillies. Peri peri chicken is an African barbecue recipe. Let's get started. Chop the red chillies first. Let's make the marinade now. Add all the ingredients to a blender. Smoked paprika is the most important flavor of this dish, so don't miss it. Be generous with the olive oil. Blitz everything together until it becomes a smooth paste. I've taken 4 chicken drums in a large bowl. I've also scored the chicken so that it marinates well. To this, add this peri peri spice mixture that we just made. Use tongs to mix as the mixture is very hot and spicy. Now comes the most important part of this dish. This gives the barbecue flavor. Place few charcoal pieces on the burner and light them up until they turn red. Place the hot charcoal pieces into the bowl of chicken, add some olive oil to it and immediately cover it with a lid. This infuses smoke into the chicken for a nice smoky flavor. Allow it to rest for the next 20 to 30 minutes. Heat a grill pan and place the chicken drums one by one. Since this mixture by itself has a lot of oil, there is no need to add extra oil to it. some fresh parsley leaves to it. It's got these beautiful grill marks. Let this grill nicely on both the sides. Baste the chicken with a marinade using some fresh parsley. This peri peri chicken has got a nice smoky flavor. I can't wait to taste it. Time to taste. Wow, it's very tender and juicy. I've paired it with some fresh watermelon juice. This is one good meal. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe.